What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yes sir, we got a squad today. Well guys, we are going to a garage meet. I'm actually hosting this. I never host car meets, but today, you know, I came back from Maryland. I was like, man, I miss the scene now. It's good. I heard people are gonna pull up. You know, for the first. Ah, fuck, I'm gonna mess this red light. Trying to get there quick as fuck. I know we late, but guys, I didn't expect for this meet to be, you know, popping. But we got a C5 Corvette. You know what I'm saying? This is my first, like I said, my first time doing a meet. You know, we got a nice Q50 little snack right here. And we got a Z. We got a nice clean Z 370. And we got another 350. Yeah, there's actually a 350 here. That's fucking, that shit got 2 snails on it. That shit. This is clean, bro. I don't know what is the RS. Oh yeah, yo, Javier, you gonna love this, huh? Look at this RS, bro. Jeez. I must have got this clean super. I've been with him. I showed him with him before. It's pretty cool. We got a dog man over here. Sheesh. What's that fat ass? I'm gonna get copyrighted, but you know. Like 2 snails on it. I don't know, that shit's playing, bro. Guys, we got this clean ass soup, bro. Alright, guys, well, that ends the meet today. I mean, I got a little bit of contest. Actually, some people pulled up. I'm surprised. The people that, like, the cars that pulled up. Yeah, I mean, it was alright. Right now, I'm heading back. It was a decent turnout, like I said, but yeah, we're on the way back now. Until next video, guys. Peace. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to a car meet. It's called Chicane Motorsport. I think that's what the shop is called. It's their second. It's like a fall thing. I don't know. And supposedly it's gonna be a lot of people going. So, you know, I was like, you know, I ain't got nothing to do on Sunday. I was bored. I was like, you know, I watched the car this morning early as fuck. Also, this might be I had a car meet that I hosted. This video right now is gonna be combined with that video because the video was so short. Like I said, it was not a lot of cars pulled up. Now that it's starting to get cold, it's not gonna be a lot of meets and stuff. I mean, I don't know, you know, I haven't been in Kansas here in the winter, but I heard it gets cold as fuck. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with the car, and I'm on bags and stuff, like, you know, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with the car. I'm working on something, hopefully trying to get something new. Might be getting a new car soon, hopefully. Comment down what y'all think I'm gonna get, but I'm excited. All right, guys, we made it to Chicane Motorsports. Fuck, I don't know where to park, that's the thing. Fuck. That's a good question. Oh shit. Damn, well, I came late, so it should start at 11, 10:56. Damn, bro. I mean, I'm not late, but like, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find parking. Alright, guys. Well, I don't know. I'm asking a question. Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, how's it going, man?
Where'd just park it on the side or in in here?
If you didn't pre-donate, then yeah, go ahead and find a spot anywhere else.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yep.
Very nice. Very nice. Look at this fucking M3. Sheesh. Fuck, alright, let's see where the fuck to park at. Oh, I think I'm gonna park right here. Oh, it's a fire hydrant. Fuck. Alright, bro. Fuck it. I'm just in the air real quick. Hold on. Make sure I have enough space on this side, so I think I should. Oh, yeah, I think I should. Fuck it. Let me air out real quick. But it's a pretty good turnout. We got some supercars. We got we got a mix of everything. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, I see a cop. Oh no. Yeah, the cars are like down there. I parked someone down there. We got a nice Lambo. We got I don't know what kind is that. I know it's like a Yardo, but I don't know if it's like a. I think it's gated. Maybe. Oh yeah, it is. It's like a Yardo. Very nice. Very nice. See it right here? Soon. But it's an E90 though. I'm looking at E92. We'll see how that goes. Bro. Oh man, I'm trying to get one so bad. It's just clean. Oh, we got a 720, I see. Yeah, 720. Sheesh. That's where I parked. We got a nice thing. What is this? Oh, what the fuck is this? Oh, what the fuck? Yo, she's a Lamborghini? What the fuck? Yo, I've never seen this before. What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? What kind of Lambo is it? Oh, we got nice size GTR. Damn, I've never seen this before. What kind of sheesh. I got this low GTR. You told me, sir. Sheesh. That shit clean as fuck. I like the red. Stock wheels, but I like the red. Mo in the green Lambo. He just picked that up like last month, I think. What else? He got the clean out McLaren. I met up with this fool right here, Fast Adventures. Yo, Zach. Say what's up, bro. We got Mo right here. Sheesh. Yes, sir, Mo. Yo, the APR Viper is sexy as fuck. And we got Zilla, the GTR, bro.
Good car, man.
Good car, very nice. You got the BBSs too. Sheesh. Yeah. We came inside the shop. They got a E36 or E46 M3. Supposedly has an S65 engine, which is the M3 motors. Yeah, sir. Sheesh. And this supposedly it's the owner. I haven't met him yet, but he usually uses this as a track car. It's pretty clean. I ain't gonna cap. Yeah, fat ass wing. Sheesh. Let me show that interior real quick. Damn, vato. Okay, I'm cut. We got this clean. I don't know what kind of Lambo this is. I don't think he's something. One day, bro. One day. Look at that. Hold on, can't cut. It's a cut. Sheesh. Guys, there's also this car. I don't even know what kind of car this is. Supposedly, I don't even know what this is. God damn. Got fat ass wing too. Sheesh. You guys can't tell for the video, but like in person, this shit's huge. Man, cool.
Look at that.
Sheesh, guys. Let me get close up on this. Sheesh, 2 Huracans. I love the color on this, bro. One day, bro. The LP610, yes, sir. Sheesh. We got a couple Beamers. Another M3, bro. Fuck. This one's sexy. Got the forged carbon steering wheel. Carbon fiber wings. Sheesh. front real quick for y'all. And Vato. Clean, bro, clean. We got the ACR Viper, Shade DDR with the BBS's on. Clean, very clean, nice. Got the SVJ, most car.
That's got 11.2 million viewers on YouTube.
Look at that. Sheesh. Then we have fuck, I don't know whose car this is, but I know this is Mo's. I know these fools. Cool as fuck dudes. And then we have Viper. Very nice. Yeah. This is a dream car right here. Definitely an SVJ, bro. See, let me get the starter real quick. Shit, loud as fuck. Come on. Alright guys, so right now I met up with my boy. He said that we're gonna do a photo shoot with the Lambos and the I think a McLaren, yeah. So I'm just gonna follow them and see what's up. I have nothing planned today, so we'll see what, you know, do a photo shoot and stuff like that. God damn. God damn, bro. God damn. Alright guys, well, that wraps today's video. I'm now just leaving Kansas City to us, 8 o'clock. Plan was, we were supposed to, you know, shoot with the Lambo, with the SVJ and the 720, and we're supposed to ride in them, but the dude, you know, he's into real estate. He's actually like buying properties and stuff, so, you know, we couldn't come out. But hopefully next weekend, you know, he's like, I'm down the street next weekend. So hopefully, you know, cap. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of GK Motorsports. It was a pretty decent turnout. Met some cool dudes.